these two cars are actually the same model. They're both 29s. This one is definitely more modified than the other one is I guess a more classic styling, if you will. But hot rodding, right? Hot rodding meant being able to change things, go faster, make it the way that you wanted to, add things, radical paint schemes, whatever. So yeah, let's take a look at these two here. Very cool hot rod. All the different custom touches and things. And then this guy. More traditional. It's interesting.